Hi.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Yogeshwari Sivakumar. Firstly, I and my groupmates would like to say thank you for accepting the interview session on your busy schedule. We are currently pursuing degree from University Malaysia Sarawak and our group has been assigned to conduct an interview with the manager related to your company's business. For this purpose, I have to raise some general questions about your company and business. So please feel free to answer my questions. Shall we start our session?
Good afternoon, Yogesh. Yes, please.
Alright, sir. First of all, introduce about yourself and about your company.
I'm Selva Kumar, working as a general manager for past 9 years in MHP International Center Berhad. MHP Center Berhad is solely representative for Uzbekistan Airways in Malaysia for both passenger and cargo. As general sales agent, MHP International have increased the business experience with new office located in Kuala Lumpur International Airport for our cargo operational and in the city center of Kuala Lumpur for ticketing office. MHP International also subsidized by firm named Aeroworld, which has 6 worldwide offices with its headquarters in Canada, India, Malaysia, Singapore, Turkey, and Istanbul. The company was established on 5th April 2010.
Wow, that sounds great. Could you explain me about your company's goal and who are the competitors?
The company goal sets as to be one of the leading company in airlines industry. Of course, the competitors are the general sales agent from other airlines flying to the same region with competitive fare and rates. Next, please.
What are the strategies implemented to achieve the company's goal?
Well, the strategies used to achieve the company goal is divided into two terms, which is B2B, business to business, and B2C, which is business to consumer. B2B refers as inviting the agent from all other regions to participate at high tea concept in hotel ballroom event. So they're able to meet the local agents to exchange their product and execute in market with very small charges. While B2C, business to consumer, refers as a direct participant such as a Mata Fair, media advertisement, and in-flight magazine to promote airlines directly to its market to create awareness for them to obtain the ticket directly, which generate more profits, Yogesh.
Wow, that's great, sir. Sir, could you explain what are the challenges that the company facing from both demand and supply side on this current pandemic?
For being time, frankly to say, there's a no income for all for passenger side due to COVID pandemic since government has restricted to allow incoming tourists. However, to answer on your above question, for demand and supply side, we are facing some demand issue on cargo sector, whereby my company receiving number of orders in high volume of tonnage for face mask, sanitizer, neutralized Canberra glove used for medical and surgical industrial purpose. While for supply side, there is a delay from the manufacturer to meet the production requirement to deliver on requested date. This is due to huge number of orders raised by consumer on current pandemic since the government has controlled number of manpower working within the area capacity.
Thanks for the nice explanation, sir. Could you explain what have been affected on current time and how could you tackle the challenges?
The company has lost its sales and profit margin totally due to no passenger sales. However, the company sustained with cargo sales. The company has maintained the business by reducing its profit margin in order for us to keep our existing clients. Apart, we have retrenched the employee work for passenger sales side and pay cut off for employee work on cargo side. This is in order we to sustain in the market as well to reduce the cost as well.
Okay, sir. Sir, could you list down what the systems are using for production process?
For the passenger side, the system we are using called as Gabriel. For cargo, we do monitor by GDS system. And to monitor the production and the cost factor, using IBM System Business software.
Well, so sir, how you determine the production is maximized in the right combination in the production process when wages and other cost factors used in the production process if changed, and what are the strategies used to maximize the production? Possible? Please advise in terms of short run and long run.
Wow, Yogesh, that's so Hippocratic question for me to answer. However, let me try to fulfill your question, okay? To determine the airline has been occupied in full, me and my team will observe each and every flight utilized in full or at least by 75% from occupancy to gain the profit. In the case, if the flight failed to meet the requirements, we will immediately emphasize the short-term implement ideas in which we open direct sales to markets such as a promo fare, mice fare, intro fare. As a result, the amount of sales might be increased to the said target for short business term. For long run, we have practiced with long-term payment and commissionable provided fare only to the agent for those who can commit with us with huge amount of sales. Even it's provided less profit to my company, but it will still reduce the company risk since the agent will purchase number of seats in advance by providing non-refundable exchange order. So in the scenario, if the agent fails to reach the purchased target, they still need to pay the payment agreed on the exchange order provided earlier. So in the case, my company will still gain the profit without any losses, Yogesh.
Sound great, sir. Sir, what have been you faced in managing the production and cost?
Even we have put a lot of efforts to meet the targets, but due to unforeseen scene, the loss might happen due to last minute aircraft cancellation, whereby we have to pay the cost of purchase as well, compensate to passengers and the agents too.
Okay, sir. Sir, could you explain about your plan for upcoming years about the cost and production?
To be very frankly, Yogesh, due to current pandemic, we are still waiting for COVID-19 issues to be resolved. Maybe thereafter we might sit for company discussion and to set future plans and goals.
Yes, sir. I totally agree with your statement. Next, what are the strategies used to maximize the company value?
Currently, we are in the middle of discussion to execute chartered flight program, which allow us to carry full flight passengers, which means point-to-point destination, which could lead to make some profitable income and company value. However, it's still depending on G2G approval, Yogesh.
Sir, if you don't mind, what is G2G stands for?
Oh, G2G stand for government to government.
Oh, okay, sir. Thanks for your patience and your prompt reply. Before we end our session on today, I would like to hear upon your tips on how to success in today's business environment.
Before I provide my business tip for the day, hope all above my statement will assist for your future and for your current assignment. And the tips I would like to share with you is make sure you understood the risks and rewards that you plan for your future business. Always analyze your competitors and be well organized as per market needs on to time basis, Yogesh.
Thank you, sir. It was pleasure to have an interview session with you on today, and I really appreciated on your statement and tips given for my assignment as well for my better knowledge.
I hope I fulfill your requirement and needs. Thank you, Yogesh.
Welcome, sir. Have a great day.
Same to you. Bye.